Hi Stampers, welcome back. Today is the third tutorial in our Heartfelt Hexagon bundle videos. So we have the stamp set and the punch. That's what makes up the bundle. And today we're going to make a beautiful and soothing sympathy card. It's both simple to make and it's just really, really beautiful. This card features the calming colors of Lost Lagoon, so it provides a really serene backdrop. Half of it has designer series paper and the other half are images that we stamped. And again, that is that stamp right there, right from the set. So this set has beautiful sentiments, but it also has these nice little images to add to your creativity. So again, I have a base of Lost Lagoon, an inside stamping piece of white. We're going to be stamping in Pretty Peacock. I have a scrap of white, and that pretty designer series paper is from the pack that is called Masterfully Made, and that is in the annual catalog. So we're going to do a little stamping before we begin, and we're going to stamp and stamp off, and we'll do that on the front with that little leaf stamp. So I'm just going to lay that designer series paper down before I glue it, and I'm just going to stamp images over here on the right side, and then we'll glue that piece down. And I think that's good. And then we're going to bring this scrap in. We'll glue that down in a minute. I'm going to bring this scrap in, and we're going to stamp the border and the sentiment, and then punch it out. Okay, let me glue the front on, and then we'll put dimensionals on the back of our sentiment and pop it up. Now we'll stamp on the inside, again with the Pretty Peacock ink. Okay, quick, easy, beautiful, and very heartfelt. Do you like today's card? I love it. So pretty. Sending you lots of love and hugs. So let's look back really quick. I have 2 more days here that I'll be stamping with you with using this set, and we're really going to step it up the next 2 days. So make sure you come on back. Again, I'm here weekdays at noon. Tell your friends. So we went ahead and we made first the Let's Eat Cake card. Very fun. And then this is the card that I had on that I posted that we were going to make, but we switched it up just because we could. And we changed it up by changing the paper, and we did a little bit of heat embossing with silver, and we added the sprigs in silver. So that's a very, very pretty card, wedding card. This card I didn't put anything on the inside because I can use it for whatever occasion I want. So it's a nice little card for that. And then today there's our sympathy card. So I hope you're enjoying it. Like I said, come on back tomorrow. I think you're really, really going to like tomorrow's card. Go ahead and leave me some comments. Share my video. All you got to do is click the share button and go over to your friend's email and send it to them and say, hey, come on and see this girl's cards. I think you'll like them. Really short videos. I hope you're liking that. Be back tomorrow. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.